Hi guys, with this tutorial I want to show you 7 tricks that maybe you don't know about Procreate. Procreate is an app that works only with iOS system and specifically with iPad. If you want, you can use Procreate also on your iPhone, but you have to use Procreate Pocket. Let's start with the first trick.
After drawing a line, just hold your stylus in the same position for a couple of seconds. Your line will snap into a straight line. You can then move the angle of this straight line by moving the stylus around. Draw a circle and at the end hold your stylus in the same position and here a perfect circle. Keeping all the stylus, you can adjust also the size of your circle. Quick Shape function works also for square and other shapes. Fill a shape is really easy and satisfying. Drop your color inside the shape and that's it. Do you want to make a gradient inside a shape or just recolor it? Alpha Lock is the tool that you need to use. Activate the tool from the layer and color your shape, no caring about margins. Did you make a mistake? Tap with 2 fingers the screen. And to redo, 3 fingers. You can create your own color palette. Select the color you want to save. Tap to save a color as a swatch. Hold the colors to delete it. And rename your palette.
Thanks for watching guys, and please comment below writing me your feedback or just what you want to see in the next tutorial.